and welcome back to my basement where I make all things handmade, bath and body. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany and I am the owner and creator behind Desert Bath Company right here in Gilbert, Arizona. Today I am focusing on some restocks of our most popular bath bombs for a couple of our retail shops, and you will never guess what our most popular bath bomb is. If you guessed the shark bath bomb, you are correct. I first made this shark bath bomb 4 years ago when I first launched my company, and it has been hands down the most popular stocking stuffer and year-round bath bomb to date. And it's not just any regular bath bomb, it's shaped like a shark, and when his mouth hits the tub, it bleeds. Let me tell you, the amount of comments and tags I get in Instagram stories of people using this bath bomb and the surprise that comes out in the tub, it never gets old. So without further ado, let's get to making some sharks. So this is my shark bath bomb mold. Got this one off Etsy. I will link this mold down below. So let's start stuffing this shark. This is a relatively easy mold to work with. I like to pack down the front of it first so that his nose gets all filled with our mix here. So now that our sharks are a little bit dry, we're gonna go ahead and start airbrushing. If you haven't airbrushed your bath bombs before, I would highly recommend purchasing a little airbrush unit such as this on Amazon. I will link this down below. Airbrushing your bath bombs will give them a very artistic look, and it makes painting a lot quicker. Now, not all areas of the bath bomb can be used with an airbrush. Sometimes you have to break out your handy dandy paintbrush and little mica mix, but when I can, I use my airbrush unit because especially with a full tray of shark bath bombs like these, this is gonna take a little while to do some painting. Let's get our brushes out and add a little bit of detail. We've got all the sharks painted. Going to put this on the drying rack to dry for the next 24 hours, and then we'll test out one of these in the tub. Thank you all so very much for joining me for another Desert Bath Cove vlog as we made our awesome shark bath bombs. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time in my basement.